watch my transformation. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching the video. Also in this video I have prepared my base beforehand, so if you want to know how I created this look or how I created the base, you can refer to my very first video, and this is the same process of how I done my base. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. and my look is ready, and I have like worn the accessories. This is the very authentic band that they usually wear whenever we do a Sugarskull inspired makeup. And these are very really colorful, and there are so much of uses of black and red, mostly the bold colors. So I was really enticed with this idea of the Sugarskull transformation, and I really wanted to try. So this is my try. I hope I actually like the end results. I don't know how you will be feeling, so please do tell me how do you think this look turned out to be. And I know you people have seen me wearing this weird thing, and many of you don't know actually that what is she wearing. So this is very authentic and the original content of a Sugarskull model. They wear like bright colors, roses or sunflowers or something, so that whatever the darkness colors that they are, the makeup contains, so it brings out their face, their facial expressions, their structure, whatever they did on it. So yeah, I think you all would like my little bit of a new that thing I tried. And yeah, please do subscribe, like, share, comment, and do recommend this to your friends. And so I'll be signing off now. I hope you do like my look. Thank you.